So without looking it up, I think this is how they did it. So I've done my corner here with the 2 double crochets, and I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to yarn over it and put it through here. But instead of pulling through all of them, I'm going to just go through 2. So there's 2 hooks still on the 2 loops still on the hook. Yarn over again, pull up, pull through 2 only. So there's 3 on the hook. Then you yarn over again. Just a second. Yarn over again for the 3rd double crochet. You pull through, so then you've got 5 loops on the hook. This is where you pull through all of them, and then you can see how it cinches kind of like a flower petal. So then I think that's when you go chain 1, go to the next space, do the same thing, yarn over, pull through only 2, so you have 2 hoops. Yarn over again, pull through only 2, and you got 3, and then you would yarn over again through this one. Now you've got 5 on the hook, so you pull through all through 5 there. And so that's what they're saying, that's a more traditional granny. So let's do that again. Chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, you have 5, pull through all 5, and there you go. And that's actually a better finishing, and that way the whole square will, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end.